Hi, I'm Matt at Auto Fault Finder Haldex Repairs. This is a little video because it's become apparent that people are getting their Haldex control units stolen, which is less than ideal. They are all focused around the same area of the country, but we just thought we'd make people aware of this because it seems to be becoming a bit of a thing. So let's have a look at what's happened. All of these thefts seem to be focused around these areas. One of the guys in Brighton said he'd rang TPS and they'd had 5 or 6 different people in the same week say that they've got customers with stolen Haldex units. The others all seem to be around southwest London area. It's down south, it's always down south. This guy, he's got under his car, the connector's broken for his pump, but he's still got his valve, no sealing gasket kit, missing Haldex unit. Next one. Valve's missing, oil spewed out everywhere, connector's broken for the pump, the connector for the controller's present and correct. So I think we gave him a connector to plug on, to put onto there. The next guy, he sent us a message on eBay. This was his wife's car. He got underneath. He's still got a valve, but no gasket plate, no bolts, no Haldex controller. A little email from this guy. I've got a customer's Tiguan. We went to check it, went underneath, and the Haldex he's used has been stolen. The solenoid and gasket are there. Yada yada yada. Next one. Garage in Richmond that we deal with. They thought that it had fallen off under the car, but it's right next to where everyone else is getting them stolen from. So it didn't fall off. They can't really fall off. It's been nicked again. This guy rang us on eBay, well, messages on eBay. Do you sell units? Oh, that's weird. 3 times this week, I said. Well, yeah, we're in Surrey, West London. When the lights come on, went underneath, and it was missing, basically. So it's a thing. People are getting the Haldex units missing, stolen. This has been happening. First one was reported in about April. So we're up to about, I don't know, maybe 10, 12 have contacted us, but not everyone's going to contact us. So I'd watch out if you've got a Q3 or a Tiguan. Be careful where you're parking it down south. It's just the times, isn't it? So, but I just thought I'd make this little video so you know, and make people aware of it really, and make garages aware. If it happens to you, it's not a one-off. There's obviously some sort of gang of people who are doing this around here. So, but they are 1,200 quid to replace, and we sell a copy one that's cheaper, but it's just not good. And this is not marketing. I think it's sad really that it's come to this. And maybe if you want to be wise, drill the 2 Allen keys so they're rounded, and then they can't get an Allen key to get them out. Or smack 2 ball bearings into the Allen key heads. I don't know, just be aware. Anyway, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. It's not really a video you want to like, is it? But we want to keep people up to date with the latest Haldex news. So anyway, goodbye.